Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so happy to announce that my channel has crossed little over 200 subscribers, and my special thanks to each and everyone who have supported and subscribed to my channel. Today I'll be sharing to get to know once you reach 100 subscribers. YouTube actually gives you certain rights and access once you reach 100 subscribers. That is, first, the custom URL. You can change your YouTube channel link the way you want it. And second, once you reach 100 subscribers, the secrets of how to register yourself for the bronze play button. So watch till the end of the video. So what is the eligibility to change your custom URL? The eligibility is your channel should have at least 100 subscribers, and you should have an uploaded profile picture and banner image. So if you see my mobile screen, you will see some YouTube channel links. On the right side are the default links which are actually given by the YouTube when we start our channel, and on the left side you will find some more links which are customized the way we wanted our channel links to look like. So what is the purpose and benefits of customizing your channel URL link? Number one, you can select your own unique name. Number two, it can be easily identified and can be remembered by your name. Number three, it gives a professional and experienced look, especially for the monetized channel while they share with your clients and customers. So come, let me take you to my mobile screen and show you how to customize your URL link. In fact, there is no such bronze play button for 100 subscribers or even for 1000 subscribers. The first play button you get is after reaching 1 lakh subscribers. But like I said, for 100 subscribers, after reaching 100 subscribers, you get the right to change your custom URL link, and after reaching 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, your channel can be monetized. So thanks for watching the video. For time being, I am signing off. Till then, bye bye.